pros, improvement of foundation models by 10 to 30%, improvement in safety, reduction or elimination of risk. And this is what's interesting to me. So it's closer to how a human solves problems. This methodology really speaks to me because when I do something, I'm a trained mariner. I really think about the process of figuring out the solution to a problem. I iteratively go through my head and discuss it internally before I take an action. And that's really what ReAct does. So bad news that we need subject matter experts to do this sort of thing, but good news for everyone in this room because we're all SMEs. So this is really, to me, a paradigm shift where tech was firmly in the hands of software engineers and technicians before 2023, when the ReAct paper was published. But having worked with it, boots on the ground myself, I don't think it's possible to have efficacy with ReAct agents if you don't know the material that you're trying, like the type of agent that you're trying to deploy. So if it's a maritime agent, say it's dealing with traffic management, the ability to prompt engineer that ReAct agent will need to come from a mariner. They'll need to come from somebody who's trained. Or if it's an engineering problem, it will need to come from an engineer. That's just my initial impressions of this technology. I don't think it's something that somebody off the street could suddenly come in and say, do a marine engineer solution successfully.